Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to show you some more trades that have been triggering today. I just took one right now on a mid-band trade right here on the NQ. I believe it just gave me 4 ticks in profit. Sorry, I took this trade right here, and it went 10 ticks into profit, came back and took me out with +4. My stop goes to break even after 4 ticks automatically. Anyway, there's been a bunch of trades today, just a bunch of them, trade after trade after trade. The black arrows giving you great trades from the outer bands with the advanced notice, and then the mid bands again and again. Right? I'm gonna have this thing available to you by Wednesday. After the meeting on Wednesday, I will have this available to you. I'm just figuring out exactly how I want to do it, but so far this is looking pretty good. Like right here, if we get an up close on this, then we look for a down close on the next bar. Now I do have some other stuff that's really cool that actually works in well with what I've done in the past. Now this did not end up being a trade. That works in well with what I've done in the past. Okay, now this one, well, it's going to be this because we came out of the overbought right there. It's gone back. It's got to go back into the overbought to come out of the overbought. I don't think it's going to turn out to be a trade. Ideally, what you want to see is something just like this, where it closes above, then the very next bar closes below. Okay. Ideally, that's what you want to see. I am going to have this stuff available to you Wednesday afternoon, I believe, for the meeting on Wednesday. So hopefully we'll see you guys all there on Wednesday. Just want to give you another just quick update. Stuff is still moving, and I have some other stuff. It's all rolling right into things that I've done in the past, and it's all coming together perfectly. So take the free trial if you haven't taken the free trial. All right, if you have taken the free trial, stick it out and become an active subscriber, because this is just going to get better and better and better.